Hi everyone, Happy New Year. Thanks for joining me. Today we're making a birthday card using this stamp set from the greeting farm called Fluffy Unicorns. Also using this circle die, I've had it forever, as well as the stamp greeting set, Happy 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 from Lawn Fun. So we're making a shaker card and I was just trying to figure out the positioning of the unicorn and also the sentiment. So I grabbed, I think it's the third smallest circle, and just tracing out three circles with a pencil, and then I'm going to go ahead and stamp the greeting. So I just kind of want to make sure the placement was correct. So coming in with some VersaFine Onyx black ink and just stamping happy birthday. So the card is for one of my girlfriends, her daughter. She really likes purple and gold, like the Laker color. So this card is definitely going to be all purple and yellow or purple and gold. Grabbing some Mento Tuxedo Black ink, which is Copic friendly. I am going to be doing some Copic coloring, so I just stamped the three unicorns on scratch, and I'm going to do some coloring, so I'll join you when that's done. All right, so I grabbed the front of the card, and I'm just going to trace the circles on the base of the card, and just so that I know where to lay out the unicorns. With the unicorns, I just loosely cut them out and also grabbed a jelly roll pen and put a white background stripe and yellow dots. And then I'm just going to adhere it with some double-sided tape. And then I just flipped over the front of the card and grabbed some loose acetate that I had. This was from some packaging, so you don't have to buy anything brand new. I think I bought something I had that left over. And then I'm grabbing some 3M foam tape, double-sided tape, and then I just bent it back on itself. And now I'm just going to cut it up the middle because I just want a little skinny tab. And what's great about this is it helps you out so you're not like doing so much cutting. And it's really flexible, so you're not trying to like keep layering and layering. So it's at least two foam tapes high, and it's actually pretty easy and flexible to go ahead and just bend it. So I'm just going to come in and add the sequins now. As I mentioned, it's going to be purple gold. And the one on the left, I decided to add this like iridescent one that actually had just a circle, a star, and a heart. And now I'm just coming in with the back of the card and just being really careful to line it up. And that could have finished the card, but I felt it needed a little bit of color in the front, so I grabbed some distressed ink in Dusty Concord and just watercolored it loosely on the front. And then I dried it. And what's great about distressed ink is that it does reactivate with water. So I did actually come back in with this old school rubber stamp that's just a circle stamp, and then added some water on it, let it sit, pushed it down for 1 to 2 minutes, and then dabbed it off with some paper towel, and it gives that circle shape. And that about finished the card. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.